Hi, I'm Tom Callahan, Manager for CertainTeed Ceilings Technical Services. Today, we'll be walking through the installation of our SmartFit Yoke accessory system. The beauty of our SmartFit Yoke accessory system is that it enables contractors to fully install their system first and then come in afterwards to install the yoke and any other mechanical items. They can go in and install all your mains and crosstees first in the system, and then you can cut out your crosstees as you need to accommodate the yoke and your fixtures such as a light fixture, diffuser, or other channel system. Here is the SmartFit Yoke accessory product. It comes packaged as you see here. There are 20 halves in this carton that allows you to make up to 10 SmartFit Yokes. The product comes pre-drilled every inch as you see here. It allows the product, the SmartFit Yoke, to accommodate common light fixture openings such as 4 inches, 6 inches, as well as metric openings for 100 millimeter and 150 millimeter. This product is also pre-drilled, as you see here, to accommodate up to 11 inches for an opening. The oval hanger holes are spaced every inch to accommodate various hanger systems. To determine the layout for the SmartFit Yoke, take the opening of your fixture, you measure from the outside flange here, and you mark that on the face of your cross tee. Once the opening is measured, cut the web and the bulb of the tee, but do not cut the flange. Now you are ready to assemble the SmartFit Yoke. Using 2 half-inch screws, screw them into the pilot holes. Screw the SmartFit Yoke onto the main runner and cross tees, 1 screw for each. Install the necessary hanger wires and bend them at the height of the yoke. Because the height of the installed yoke is 10 inches, we recommend hanging the system at a minimum of 14 inches from the plenum. Only 1 hanger wire is required with the CertainTeed SmartFit Yoke. Now finish cutting the grid by cutting the flange. Cut a piece of grid to fit into the opening, thus completing the overall frame. Fasten the yoke to the cut grid piece using a half-inch screw. Bend or cut the CertainTeed clips on the cross tees to stop them from interfering with the light fixture. The SmartFit Yoke accessory is designed to be compatible with the full line of CertainTeed Ceilings acoustical and drywall suspension systems. For more detailed information on how to install the SmartFit Yoke, please visit CertainTeed.com/ceilings.